Hi, this is Dr. Centeno, and I'd like to talk a little bit about outcomes in Regenexx. Regenerative medicine and orthobiologics obviously are new fields. Sales reps for PRP and stem cell kits love to claim that there's research that supports what they're selling. However, where's the beef? Where is this research on machine X and 500 knee osteoarthritis patients treated with the stem cell product that's produced from machine X? And the answer is it's nowhere to be found. So if you're using a bedside machine, ask your manufacturer, where's the clinical outcome data on this machine? And again, the bottom line is that most physicians using orthobiologics aren't tracking their outcomes, so you're not going to find this data. And that's very different at Regenexx. We have always tracked our outcomes going back to 2005. We have the world's largest data capture in orthobiologics. As of summer of 2017, we were tracking about 7,000 same-day stem cell patients, about 1,500 culture-expanded stem cell patients, and about 3,000 platelet-based spine procedures, just to give you an idea of the massive amount of outcomes data that we have collected. Also very different is that our providers and their patients can access the clinical outcomes online. You see here the network provider outcomes tool, where a network provider can go and look at his outcomes and compare them to the network average to get a sense of whether or not what they're doing is really meeting muster. And nowhere else in orthobiologics can you do anything like this. It's not possible with any machine manufacturer who's out there now. This outcome tool will also do statistical analysis, etc. In addition to that, our website is the only one out there that has a web app that accesses real-time outcomes for patients in a format that they can understand. So this is an example of what I just pulled off of our website for 4,000 knee osteoarthritis patients looking at the SANE score or percent improvement. Again, no one else has anything like this. Obviously, that's a huge, important thing for patients to see this kind of transparency. And no one else has more published clinical outcome research based on the N of patients that have been reported than Regenexx. 50% as of 2017, 50% of all of the published data was ours. So at Regenexx, we have you and your patients covered when it comes to advanced outcome collection and reporting. And when it comes to just sheer transparency, how am I doing as a clinical practice on the Regenexx network, and a patient's ability to go online and find the latest outcome data on that procedure. Not just the one-hit wonders that are featured on other sites, but all of the outcome. So thanks so much. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.